Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage spatial audio for your earbuds HUAWEI Freebuds 7i. You have to start by open HUAWEI AI Life application and on the iPhone you can also install HUAWEI Connect application and connect your earbuds to the HUAWEI Connect, not AI Life. I will tell you where to find this feature also in the HUAWEI Connect. Right now it do not available for the Android devices, but maybe HUAWEI add it in the future to the app gallery and you can install it on your Android phone. HUAWEI Connect, because right now you have only HUAWEI AI Life. So let's open it, then click at your headphones at the device list and the application open for you headphones menu. If you use HUAWEI Connect, you have already opened headphones menu. Then right here we have spatial audio. If you use HUAWEI Connect, you will have it under the noise control, so actually the same. You can select right here mode, so you have head tracking or fixed. I recommend it to click at the spatial audio, then wear both your earbuds. And right here you have animation, what the difference between it, so head tracking, as you can see, you can check what the difference. I prefer head tracking, that fixed, but it's up to you. I recommend it to firstly try both of them, and we have fixed. Then select mode. You have default, theater, movie theater, or concert hall. It's up to you, so I prefer movie theater, but again you need to check it. You can switch to the fixed, and as you can see we select this spatial effect for all these modes. And that's it. If you don't need spatial audio, sometimes with spatial audio you may have connection problem, so you can disable it by click at the off, or you can just remove your earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!